Hey guys, what's up? Today I am going to do some Manish water, some Jamaican authentic Manish water. So I have my meat over here, and this is the goat intestine, guys, and the head of the goat, and the foot, and also the goat intestine. So it is already cut up, clean up and everything. I'm just giving it the final wash. Then I'm going to put it on to pressure. Yes, I'm going to pressure it. So stay with me, guys, for this one. All right, so what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to catch some water in my pressure cooker. Then I'm going right over to the stove to give this a good pressure. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna toss some garlic cloves in the pot. Yeah, I want that to pressure with me goat meat. So that water is good enough. All right, this will come on over to the stove. So our pot is on, and I'm going to just cover with my pressure cooker cover and allow to cook. So I will show you all the ingredients that I am going to use to make my Manish water a successful one. Alrighty. Yes guys, so these are some of the food that I am using in my Manish water. So I have some garlic cloves over here, Scotch bonnet pepper, big boy Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also using carrots and scallion, and I have with me some cocoa. I'm going to put it in it as well, and I'm using a piece of pumpkin. This pumpkin is so dry and nice. Let me zoom in, let you guys see. Look at that, man. Whoa, yellow. Look at that. I love a good pumpkin. Yup. If you know one thing about me, guys, you know that I love a good pumpkin, because when you have a good pumpkin, your soup is going to be so rich and yellow and nice. I remember somebody once asked me, they saw a soup that I make, a chicken foot soup, and they asked me if I put turmeric in the soup, and I'm like, oh, really? Like, oh my God. Turmeric? No, I did not. Once you have a good pumpkin, then you will achieve a good, nice yellow soup. Alrighty, so make we kick things off now. I just take off the pressure cooker and things, so I'm going to cut up my pumpkin now, and I am allowing the pressure cooker to cool so that I can open it. Please allow your pressure cooker to cool, guys, before you open it. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and cut up my pumpkin now. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm about to just toss out my meat in the pot. Yeah, you know, only for water, I go splash. Burn. Oh my God. Alrighty, so you know, I go wash out the pot there. You know, I go wash out the pot there, because you know, I not leave all of that goodness, niceness in the bottom. So I hit that, guys. I'm going to go ahead now and just cut my pumpkin up and toss it in the pot as well. So I am just cutting up my pumpkin to toss it along in the pot. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna toss in my pumpkin right in the pot. Alright, so I'm gonna cover this and allow it to cook. Alright guys, so I'm just peeling up my cocoa to dash it in the pot as well. I mean, from the meat cook, from the goat meat cook, you can go ahead and peel your whatever food you choose to put in your Manish water. and put it in, dice them up and put it in there. Whether you want to dice it up, chop it up, and put it in your Manish water. So I'm making this Manish water different. I'm using a piece of pumpkin, as you all see. But the pumpkin is just to give it a little color. I know Manish water not supposed to have any yellow color or anything like that. It's supposed to be white. Yeah, we make it so a lot of times. But this time I just want to show you a different version of the Jamaican authentic Manish water. Alright guys, so my cocoa has finished peel, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just dice him up to drop him in my pot as well. Guys, any of you ever hear this little song? Growing up, they used to say, Manish water, good for your daughter. It make your daughter laugh and talk. Manish water. Wait, go. Not even remember it, but I know there's a part in it that say Manish water good for your daughter. It make your daughter laugh and talk. So I grew up hearing that little song there. I don't know who else know it or who can give me some clarity on it. Yeah. So we don't want our cocoa to be too huge. Yeah. Just want them to be diced up. Just like this. Yeah. Alrighty. Checking in with my pot. Look at that. Yeah, the pot covered everything. Oh my god, this pot. This new dumper pot. Alright, so we're just going to toss in our cocoa. And this is optional when you're making your Manish water. You can choose whatever food you want to choose to put in it. Because as you know, Manish water not supposed to be thick anyway. It's supposed to have this little nice, authentic little thinness about it. Yeah. Alright, so we're just going to cover this and allow to continue to cook. And in the middle, we're going to add some water to the pot, some more water. So don't watch the pot with that little bit of water. We're going to add some more. Alright guys, I have a nice piece of yellow yam here. I'm peeling off. I'm going to just cut it up. I'm going to dice it up and dash it in the pot as well. You know, I don't want it too big. Alrighty. Nice dry piece of yellow yam. To the pot now to toss it in. So come along. Alright guys, checking in with the pot. Look at that, lovely. Whoa, whoa, pot and bubble. Alright, before we even stir that, you know what we're going to do? We're going to load up the pot with some water. Yeah, we're going to add some water to the pot. And then we're going to ride in and add our yam that we have just diced up. Add that to the pot and then give that a good stir. Alright, so what happened? Alright guys, so I'm going to just toss a piece of scallion and some garlic to my pot. Don't watch the facts of the garlic going in the pot late. Remember when I was cooking my goat meat, I tossed some garlic in it. Yeah, so I just tossing in some rest of garlic in the pot and the scallion just to flavor the thing, right? Alright, so I have a yellow Scotch bonnet pepper here. I'm going to burst it and I'm going to drop it in the pot for now. Alrighty, so we're going to just cover back that and allow that to continue to cook. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm just giving my carrot a little scrape to go ahead and dice it up and toss it right in my pot. So I'm using 2 green banana, young banana too, they are young. What is Manish water soup without green banana? Yeah man, so I'm washing this off because I'm going to use the skin and everything. Alright, so going over to the cutting board, come along. So that's my scallion. I'm going to toss some more scallion in the pot, my carrot and my young green banana. That's how I grew up. See my mother. That's what I grew up and see my mother use. Young green banana when she making her Manish water. And I have some fresh springtime and a scotch bonnet pepper, and this is a green one. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead now and cut up our banana and our carrots. I'm just going to slice up my green banana, toss it in the pot, and I'm cutting this really thin. So this is a thing that flavor the pot as well. You know, you can't leave it out. I grew up seeing my mother using young banana. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and dice up our carrot as well. Alrighty, so I'm just going to toss in my carrot and my green banana. Look at that lovely soup. Oh my, wow. Booms with our banana and our carrot. Yeah. Then I'm going to just dash in my springtime, my pepper as well. So I'm tossing in my fresh scallion. I'm gonna toss a few pimento berries. You know, you can't leave out your pimento berries, you know, guys. That is a must in your Manish water, you know. A matter of fact, in any soup you look for at all. Alright, I have some home choice ram goat soup noodle here. So this is it. I use a little water to mix it out. Yeah. So I'm gonna just go ahead now and just add that in my pot as well. Flavor out the pot. I'll give that a good stir, guys. Whoa, Manish water. Manish water, that's a lot of Manish water. Look on the pot big, guys. Look on the big something here. Pot here big. So this is well flavor. I can smell it in my nostril. Wow. All of that seasoning, earth seasoning. Oh my. I remember earlier on I bought a yellow pepper too, guys. Whoa. So, you know, we're having a little bit of a spiciness right there. Not too spicy, but you know, just good enough for us. So look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Alright, so I'm going to just cover this, guys, and allow to. You know what? I don't want to put my salt in. Don't. No, see, I'm not put no salt in my pot, but anyway, I just taste it. You just want a little pinch of salt. So I'm going to just go ahead now and just drop in some salt in it, like booms. About that. Yeah, that good because the ram goat noodle that I use, it having salt as well. So you have to be mindful of the salt, you know. You don't want the thing too salt. You want the thing nice, flavorful and nice. And that's exactly what this is. Flavorful and nice. Alright now guys, so my Manish water is finished. Look at that lovely pot of Manish water, man. Wow. This is Manish water. Lovely pot of Manish water, this guys. So I'm just going to, you know, the usual, plate it for you guys to see it. Yeah. Alright, I go ahead and I toss two big Irish potato in my pot. I didn't show you that on camera, but I'm telling you that I did put Irish potato in it. Let me see if I find a piece. Alrighty, see it here? Let me take the liquid off it. That's the Irish. Alrighty, so I'm going to plate this now, guys. Smelling really good. Manish water in live and living color. Yeah. So the man just have to dive down in this, no so?
Yeah. Just like that.
Wow. Full of meat. Yes, yeah, so Manish water we stay, brother.
I tell you.
So I have 3 brothers and this is one of them. Yeah.